What to do, world? I'm back with another review. I got heartburn. I don't know why. But I'm back with a quick review. I got some Subway. I ain't had no Subway in a while. It's looking good though, good and sloppy. Like I like mine. Good and sloppy. With the turkey. With the Italian herb and cheddar bread. Bread not all that fresh. It ain't fresh at all though, for real. That bread. Maybe me taste different from the last time I had it. They must have changed their turkey meat. I don't really taste nothing. See, like all I taste is Italian dressing. That's that bread. It's stale. It's not fresh. I got that. You know how when you bite into an old bun. I mean roll or something that been out. That pull that it have to it. That's what it got. Okay, let's get back now. In the middle. Tasting everything. Okay. Tastes like a Subway. But, like I said, I haven't had Subway in a while. And it's the first time I done had some stale bread. The bread usually be fresh. And I can't even, let me make sure, let's see if they put everything on here I asked. You know what I don't see? I don't see no pickles. So that's, they forgot pickles. Everything else on here though. But sandwich could have been fresher, and they forgot my pickles, and so, but it still tastes like a regular Subway turkey sub, but as far as I can remember. Just my ingredients could have been a little fresher. Even the spinach looking kind of old, but it's Subway, so I'm gonna give it a 7. It ain't bad. And there is nothing to brag about, but it's eatable. I appreciate y'all for watching, the ones that made it to the end and tapped in. And I'll holler already. Had to tap back in after eating this whole sandwich. I gotta take 2 points back from that 7. I gotta give it a 5. It just tastes, it got a funky taste in my mouth. It got an aftertaste. The ingredients not fresh. Even the meat tasting different from what the turkey usually tastes like to me. Bread, stale. So yeah, they give it a 5. I had to tap back in with y'all, let y'all. I don't know what it is, but I just here ate this whole thing. But all right, y'all, I'm gone for sure this time already.